Hey everyone, Mike Burke here with InsideRealEstatePhotography.com, and today I'm going to take you on the job with me again on another vlog episode. So I haven't done one of these vlog episodes in a while, so I thought it was overdue, which it is. It's been quite a while, so I thought I'd take you out with me today. I have to go to two places today. The first shoot is photos, Matterport, and drone, and then the second one is just photos. So not like a crazy day, but you know, the first one got a few services going on, so that will take up a good chunk of the day. So I am about to hit the road now, so let's get to it. So the start of the year this year, I feel like it's been a little slower than usual. I have to check the numbers and see how it compares to the last couple years, but I mean, I've been shooting pretty much every day, but you know, I feel like the volume isn't what it is normally. Like, agents have been complaining to me about it too. There's just like not a lot of listings right now. The inventory is like super low, so I'm hoping, well, it has been picking up the past week or two, so that's a good sign. You know, the market's still pretty hot, so I can only imagine people are going to want to sell. So I just always get nervous like when things get slow during the slow season. I mean, it's always slower, you know, in the dead of winter, like around the holidays into January. It's just, usually just a slow time for me. You know, how's it going for you guys? You know, has it been that way for you? Have you been busy? Leave a comment. I just got to the first shoot. As I said, this shoot is going to be photos, Matterport, and then drone, stills only, no video. This agent usually has like the house ready, and most of the time she just leaves me there by myself to do my thing, so that's always nice. Not having people around when you're trying to work, that's always preferable. Just makes things so much easier. There's a car in the driveway, so it looks like maybe the homeowner's here, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that lucky with this one, but we shall see. So all right, I'm gonna get in there and start taking photos. I'll try to get some footage along the way, so let's do it. Okay, so the homeowner and the agent left me here to do my thing, which is great. Now I'm, you know, have no distractions or anything to deal with. The house is perfectly ready. It's a beautiful house. This is a beautiful town and, you know, well-to-do area. So, you know, really nice house. I'm gonna shoot these photos and, you know, I'm gonna show you some of the things I'm doing along the way. Shot here, using these flowers here as a foreground element. So I got my lens zoomed in to 35 f2.8 aperture. This is why an f2.8 lens comes in handy. That way I can blur out the flowers in the foreground. And then I got my focus set on a flexible spot. Here you can see the spot moving around, so I just want to get that on the sink because that's what I want to focus on. And this will be a cool little detail shot. These just, you know, really up the quality of your shoot, and agents really appreciate them. You can set your photography apart from then other competitors that just get wide angles of everything. So it's always good to get a few of these creative sort of detail shots here and there. Bathroom shots. I am shooting brackets today. 5 brackets, 2 stops apart, f8, ISO 400, and that's how I'm shooting this one today. So. All right, so inside is done. I'm gonna shoot the outside now. Such a beautiful day today too. The drone shots are gonna be awesome. The beach isn't, or water isn't too far away. It's like a river and then the ocean. And so I'm gonna do the exteriors here, front and back. And there's also this detached garage that apparently has like an apartment over it. So I gotta shoot the inside of that too. The problem with that is next I gotta do the Matterport. And there's no way to connect those spaces, so you have to do 2 separate scans. But yeah, so I'm gonna get to shooting these exteriors. But got my tripod fully extended. Always fully extend for the exteriors. Get that height, as much height as you can, pretty much. Even though this is just like a ranch, so it's a low house. So, but same settings. Otherwise, f8, ISO 400. For capturing features like this, like patios, this is like a little fire pit area, or a deck, I do lower my tripod down. I don't do fully extended. I don't do it as low as I do inside. I just collapse the lower leg. So, you know, a little lower. Otherwise, you're getting too much of up here and not much of the ground. So that's what we're focusing on here. So I always lower down for these kind of things. There's like a pool and stuff. I'll probably shoot lower for that as well, like this height, just so you're getting more of the ground area, because that's kind of the focal point. Full extension is good for when you're shooting, you know, the actual house, because you need that height, because the house is high and there's no ceiling outside. So, you know, height is good usually. So, all right, so the photos are done. I'm back inside now. I'm gonna mount up the Matterport camera and start doing the Matterport. This is a 1-level house, no basement or anything, so it should be fairly quick. The garage is 2 levels, like I said. I gotta do a separate scan for that. It's kind of a bummer. It takes up 2 active spaces on your account instead of just 1, so, you know, yeah, it's a bit of a problem, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna get started on the Matterport, so let's do it. So I'm using the Matterport Pro 2 camera today, as you can see. So that's what I'm shooting this Matterport with. So I finished the Matterport of the main house here. I banged it out real quick. It was probably like 25 minutes, maybe 30, I don't know, but fast. Like I said, it was 1 floor, so I just swept right through. Matterport is very simple to do, so I have to do the detached garage now / apartment above it, so that's what I'm gonna do now. That shouldn't take me very long, and then we're gonna do the drone. Alright, so Matterport is finished. I'm now going to shoot drone, the Mavic 3. You guys remember my video, first impressions video about this? I was sort of frustrated about a few things, but they have updated the firmware. It is considerably better now. My only real complaint now is that they still don't have 3:2 aspect ratio for photos, which is just kind of silly. I don't know why. I'm sure it's an easy thing for them to have. I shoot 3:2 obviously on my regular camera that I'm shooting this on for the regular photos, so I like them to match as far as aspect ratio. So the only way for me to do that now is to crop them in post to a 3:2. It's just, you know, it's just annoying. That's the only thing though. Everything else they pretty much fixed, I think. But really overall, I've been loving it. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic drone. It really is. The image quality is fantastic, which is what matters the most. So yeah, I'm gonna do drone stills here on this house. I've never done a screen recording yet with you know, smart controller, whatever, RC Pro. I know it can do it though, so I'm gonna try to record the screen while I'm shooting here, and hopefully, you know, get some, you know, so you can see what I'm doing. See some of the shots that I'm getting and whatever. So yeah, let's do it. All right, so the drone is done. That whole shoot is now done. It took me about almost 3 hours altogether. So now I have one more shoot today, just a regular photo shoot. It's about like 10 minutes away from here. I have to be there in about a half an hour, so that leaves me about 20 minutes to like find something to eat before I get there. So that's my mission right now. All right, I stopped real quick at a Jersey Mike's, which is a sandwich shop. It originated here in Jersey. Actually, the original one is not far from where I am right now, but it's a franchise. I think it's all over the United States now, so maybe you know what I'm talking about. But I'm just gonna grab a sandwich real quick and wolf it down before I have to go to this next shoot. All right, I just arrived to my next shoot, my last shoot. Just doing photos here, so hopefully it shouldn't be more than an hour. I'll see what kind of shots I can get along the way, so let's do it. Alright, so I just wrapped up my last shoot. I didn't shoot a ton of stuff in there as far as this vlog goes, obviously. There was a bunch of people there, so it was kind of difficult to do that. So, but it was just, you know, kind of an uneventful shoot. No complaints, everything was in order, so it went well. I'm off now to get my hair cut before I go home. I desperately sort of need one. So, and then today's Friday, so it's the weekend. It's supposed to snow, so I'm not working this weekend. At least I'm not shooting this weekend. So thanks for watching this vlog episode. I hope you enjoyed it. As things get busier during the spring, which hopefully they will be, things will be, you know, more action-packed, and I'll hopefully do more of these that are, you know, more full of different kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Until then, I'll see you again on the next one.